In this video, I'll show you how to create 10 different Instagram posts using Canva and ChatGPT in a matter of seconds. So let's go straight to the business. What you need to do is open chatgpt.com. Then on the right hand side, click on your icon, explore GPTs, search for Canva, and just start chatting with it. I already tried several examples and I can say it's pretty good. Okay, so here we are. And before starting, I actually want to say that this is all being done in the free version of ChatGPT and free version of Canva. As you can see here, I hit the limit. Basically, when you're communicating with different GPTs plugins, you have 10 different iterations in the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I hit that time frame, and now after 4 hours, I will be able to make additional iterations with Canva GPT. So let's start. Create 10 different Instagram posts about fitness motivation. Each post should contain different motivational message. Add videos of people running and exercising. Okay, so here is the first post. Let's open it in Canva. Just click on it and it will open Canva, as you can see here, the design. Okay, fitness, no pain, no gain. Then I can do whatever I want here in Canva, add music, add my website, change the colors, whatever I really need. Or even generate additional images. For example, clicking here on Magic Media, fit woman in gym wearing swimming pants, choose style filmic, and generate. So here are the images, for example, and you can just add any of those images here. This is also for free. Replace background, and here you go. This is it, our new Instagram post. I didn't have to do that. I just wanted to show you that you have also this ability called Magic Media. Going back to the ChatGPT. This is the second Instagram post. Plan, work, repeat. Nice. Daily positivity. Then somebody here doing squats or something like that. A year from now, you may wish you had started today. Fourth, your potential is limitless. Always you can open all of those in Canva, as you can see here. So we have everything. Pretty good. And then, for example, this one, dare to be the real you. Nice. So actually, in a matter of seconds, it did create 5 different Instagram posts, which you can use if you would like to create, I don't know, Instagram channel for fitness daily motivation or something like that. Pretty easy, pretty good. Yeah. Now let's try something else. Let's see how much we can customize. For example, create additional posts. Now with pictures from gym and inspirational post with the text. You can do that, but you don't have to. Really inspirational, isn't it? Okay, let's see what it create. Let's click and open in Canva. Believe in yourself. You can do that, but you don't have to. So it did customize based on my text and my input that people should be in the gym. They are kind of in the gym. This is something similar like a gym, open gym. Let's see the second one. Okay, so you can do that, but you don't have to. And she is here in the gym working on a laptop for some reason. After that, I ask additional things. Okay, now create a post with pictures of people hiking in the forest, and the text says you can hike or you can watch Netflix all day. Then also red bolded following text, your decision. And it did add posts of hiking in the forest. Let's see, close up. Choose your path. You can hike or watch Netflix. Nice. Hike or Netflix, your decision. So it did customize and it kind of added its additional spirit. I actually like that. Yeah, pretty good. Let's try a couple of additional things. Now create a post that contains illustrations of people running with the text, you can run, but you can also hide. Great. So it produced those 2 Canva designs. Let's open them up. Here is the first design. Run or hide, make your choice. Looks pretty good. Here you can see the Canva logo. This is because this is Pro image, so it pulled up Pro image from Canva. You can replace this image with any other image you'd like to have. Or for example, let's create additional image. People running. So Canva AI image generator created a couple of images of people running. Let's see how they look like. Everybody's very happy. Yes. Smiling in a kind of a weird way, very weird way. Let's see. These. Those are better. And then you have your own image and your inspirational Instagram post. Very good. Couple of more examples. And it says, of course, this technology is new and improving. Please report these results if they don't seem legit. I don't know what would I get if I report the results, but nonetheless. Then Canva ChatGPT asked me, would you also like a matching motivational story format for this post? So for this post, I said yes. So yeah, I did create a couple of additional posts, reels or stories, whatever we like to use them for. You can run, but you can also hide. Canva, nice. Looking pretty good. Always you can exchange those images, remove them, add your text, add music. Of course, you can add music, as you know, in Instagram and everywhere else. And then the final thing, it asked me to, would you also want a carousel post version to make it a mini motivational series? I said yes. Awesome. Let's do it. So here is mini carousel version. So yeah, carousel version, posts, everything. Yeah. So actually, in a matter of seconds, you can create 10 different posts. ChatGPT together with Canva creates them. Then you can add additional prompts, 10 prompts in 4 hours in the free version of ChatGPT. There you have it. All of this in quick and easy tutorial. I hope you really did enjoy this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Comment if you have any additional things you would like to see, change, add. I'll happily do another video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.